What's up, everyone? The Novice Angler here at the little park. I do admit it's been very slow, especially for the past couple of weeks and once the temperature starts dropping, but today it's supposed to be in the 60s, so hoping to do well today. Talk to you later. Back at the little park. I know it's been very slow for me within this past couple of weeks, so I figure I want to try out something absolutely new. This is what I have today. I have me what's called the worm harness. I mean, I thought it's a good idea. This type of rig is actually made for walleye and saugeye fishing. I found out about it yesterday when I was talking to this one guy, but then again, like he said, he caught a lot of different fish using this rig. And also, I found this the other day. This is a rubber core sinker. I like that idea for the fact that you can put an inline sinker on without having the need to have a sinker slide or having to cut the line. So what I'll be using is I'll be using some natural bait today. Try it out with a worm. The way that this works, first want to, he said, hook the worm like somewhere in the middle with the first hook. There we go. Then you want to stretch it out, find out where that other point's going to be, and you hook it at the other end. And there it is. And let's try this double harness worm hook. Yeah, the guy that I was talking to said this is the main rig that he always uses to catch saugeyes and walleyes. But like he said, he caught many other types of fish using this rig, which wouldn't surprise me. After all, you are using live bait. There we go, folks. Nope. And they took our worm. Try it again here. At least we're finally getting some action, that's for sure. Yeah, the guy I was talking to, he said this rig is more common with if you have a boat and you're just trolling it. But he said it works great even bank fishing. We'll see. There we go. Try this again here. If anything else, I think I'll probably take off that spinner and just maybe do some bottom fishing. Yep, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's the nice thing about this rig, I guess. It allows you to change out the spinner or take it off if you want. And I think I'm just going to do some bottom fishing here. Catch us a bluegill or something to start us up. This also reminds me of the Menko rig, which is unlike the Inu rig where you have to stick a bunch of straws. This one is basically just two hooks that you hook up to a plastic worm. I'll try it out one of these days. Wow, surprisingly, I haven't landed anything yet. Even on the worms. Been getting bites on it, and those are pretty small hooks. Well, we still have the worm on this hook. Let's give it a shot. There we go. First one, folks, to finally catch us a little bluegill. About a 5-inch bluegill. Yep, that's the one thing for sure, folks. It seems like when nothing else is biting, at least you still can catch bluegills. Another tiny little bluegill. Wow, one thing for sure, once the weather gets colder, seems like only the small ones that's biting. That's my experience within the past couple of weeks. There you have it, folks. Spent over an hour and a half out there at the park and caught us only 2 little bluegills. I was surprised I didn't catch anything on the worm harness. Even when I split it up one worm into 2 and using separate hooks on it, I was getting a lot of bites, but I didn't land anything. Anyway, here we are back at the little pond. I'm certainly hoping that we can do better out here than we did at the park. And so, see what we can do. Still have our worm, so let's try it out here. Ooh, there we go. Oh, whoa, wow, there it is, folks. First cast. Oh, yes. First cast with a worm, a little tiny worm. Caught ourselves a bass, folks. Look at this. Look at this, folks. That, wow. That's a good sized bass, too. Holy crap. That's, wow. That's nice. First bass in about 2 weeks, folks. And this one is probably one of the bigger ones. Holy crap, look at it, folks. There we go, folks, check it out. Not bad. First cast in, not even 5 minutes. Caught me a 2-pound bass on a little tiny worm. This is the biggest bass I caught in about at least about a couple months. Not too shabby, folks. Wow, I am happy. That definitely makes up for the day. That's my biggest one I caught in probably about 2 months. Easily about a 2-pound bass. On a little tiny piece of worm. There it is, folks. We spent about an hour and a half out there at the little park. Caught us only 2 bluegills. And we went up over to this little pond. We did manage to catch that 1 2-pound bass, which pretty much made up for the couple of weeks that I've been having. Anyway, that's one thing I do notice. Within this past couple of weeks, and especially with the temperatures getting colder and colder, I haven't had much luck in catching fish. Maybe that's just me. Maybe I just need to learn some other techniques or methods, and maybe you guys know what it is. Go ahead and share them with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like and consider subscribing, folks. Anyways, you guys take care. I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, Gerald here with the Novice Angler. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that last video. If you guys did, go ahead, watch some more down below. Go and click down below. Anyway, just want to let you guys know that we do have our own little online shop. It's filled with a bunch of original, unique t-shirts, all designed by yours truly and my wife. t-shirts like this. Anyway, go ahead and check out the link down below. And thank you very much. Do appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys later. You guys take care.